Hello guys, we
Yes,
are
here
now
now.
playing Clash
So let's see if we can do
Canyon
it.
for OB King. So if we finish this, we are
Let's
OB
go.
King.
Oh,
Spoilers
this
ahead,
world
I'll
is
be
good.
singing Funk,
Let's
Mango,
go.
and
Huh.
I don't know the other one.
This is my first time playing this, by the way, guys. I just seen it from my friend. They said this is a very hard obby. Why, man? Why did I fall there? Wow. I need to focus. It's so hard to play with my mobile phone because I always lag. See, that guy teleported and that girl just fall down, bro. Let's at the last jump to the last. I wait at the second to the last jump. Why won't it be the first jump? It will be more irritating, agi and agitating if it's the last jump, because you already have to make it there and you cannot make it there. See, it's so hard. Let's sing Mango Funk. Mango. Mango, 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 mango. Let's go desate. Oh, it works. What? I should be singing funk there so I can get up there. Funk really saved me, but when I stop singing it, my skill disappears. Funk is like it soothes your brain to focus more. I'm a lock in, guys. I'm a lock in. Yesterday, what? They're already there? How? They are cheating, bro. They are cheating. They are cheating. They are cheating. Bro, how? That's it, guys. It's so hard. Bro, it's so hard. Escadete. Escado. Bro, what is that? Bro, how did I jump off there? You see me there? But when I jumped, I went there. I didn't even climb a single pixel. This game is not on my side, guys. Yeah. So aggravating, agitating. It's so, I feel angry. Like should change my character color to red and wear a angry face. guys. Am I muted? What the hell? I've been muted. I've said so much things. I sang Mango Funk, the new funk. I don't know what's the name. Skibidi Funk because I have Skibidi Reese and all of that. Yeah, guys, we aren't beating this. Goodbye. I'm gonna transition this. Lang, how. Lang. Wait.